HHHunt Homes is proud to present The Gates, a versatile and thoughtfully designed townhome perfect for your lifestyle. First, you are greeted by a spacious family room that opens to an inviting dining nook. The heart of the home is the spacious gourmet kitchen, featuring a pantry and an optional breakfast bar. The ground floor also includes a half bath. The Gates is a perfect space for entertaining or relaxing. Upstairs, you'll find your extra generously sized bedrooms with walk-in closets, offering plenty of storage and privacy. In the hallway, you have your laundry area, linen closet, and full bathroom. Next, let's see your oasis, the primary suite. Homeowners will enjoy a spacious bedroom, walk-in closet, and private bathroom. And for an added touch of charm, select elevations feature inviting front door porches and outside spaces, perfect for relaxing outdoors. This home also includes off-street parking, tankless hot water heater, and unfinished attic storage. Discover The Gates, where modern living feels like home. Schedule your tour today at hhhunthomes.com.